Okay guys, so this one's going to be about how to explore different realities in your music. The first thing is going to be to start off with different drum patterns. Maybe start off with some 4 on the floor, drum and bass style, etc. Play with it to your liking. Second's going to be tempo. Set the pace by feel. Alter either before or after production. Third is going to be to start off with different instruments. Maybe start off with a guitar, a piano, or start off singing. Fourth is going to be to blend genres. Blend either some heavy bass music with some house, or maybe some pop with some bass music. You get the idea. Fifth is going to be start off with a melody. Make a unique piece of work. Fifth is going to be start off with chord progressions. Shape the chords by feeling. Also use emotion with your chord progressions and melodies. So combine all these to make something out of the ordinary.